these type of videos. I wanted to show you guys my new squishies that I got, and don't mind my eye, I got hit in the eye with a paddle. I'm sorry if this is boring, I'm going to try to do this as fast as possible. And one thing, I went to this candy store and they had every single squishy you can imagine. Every jumbo one, every needle, they even had like the school cat needle. Anyways, first I got the squeezy ice cream sandwich. It has a lot of air that I need to get out. Really like this one. Next, I got this little like marshmallow squishy. It has like a doughy texture inside, and I also really like this. This was the first one I got. I also need to do surgery on this one. Next, I got the jumbo watermelon, and it's called Changing. As you can tell, I also need to get the air out of this. Change is green. Also really love this. Then I got crunchy soap bar. This was $20 at a different place. It was $15, but I love the $20 one. Next I got the Neato Groovy Lob. They had the jumbo one, but I saw that after I got the mini. So now I regret. Don't mind that noise, by the way. Sorry. Don't mind my nails. I'm getting them done on Friday, and it's Tuesday. I still love it though. Because I'm trying to collect Neatos and jumbo squishies, so I'm happy that I got these. And crunchy squishies. Okay, let me know if you guys want me to show you guys my whole squishy collection, because I have a lot. And I'm recording on my iPad because my phone is not letting me for some reason. That's why when I'm doing my lip syncs, I'm posting it on like normal video. So don't mind that. And it doesn't let me pause it on here, so that's amazing. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below if you guys want me to post more videos like this. And I guess this is like a voice reveal. Like I would have revealed my voice before. It's just like I never talk in my videos, so I guess it's like a voice reveal. Anyways,